Hello, my name is Brad. I'm calling from Lifetime Legal on behalf of John from Romans in Bracknell.
We're experts in anti-money laundering compliance. We deliver only two outcomes in the work that we do, either a pass or a fail. We take full responsibility away from the agent for having to do the due diligence required by their clients. We're delivering more revenue, faster transaction times, really adding to their bottom line whilst taking time-consuming admin work away from them.
Lifetime Legal adds a lot of value to us in terms of compliance and getting sales through. It is much more complicated now to sell a property than it ever was before. And I think from that point of view, you need to know that every step of the way, the people that you're partnering with are experts in their field.
The technology we use, we've developed in-house. We integrate directly with the Land Registry, Experian, Equifax, Smart Search, Credus, and leading estate agency systems like Reapit. We're turning around checks typically in 6 or 7 minutes.
Lifetime Legal's software being integrated with Reapit is really important to us. It really makes the whole process seamless. They have an API into our CRM system, and that allows for AML to go back and forth, leads to go back and forth, feedback, notes, etc., to make sure that really both businesses are on the same page.
Sales and instructions are won or lost on timing, and a smooth, seamless two-way integration is extremely important. It also takes away that margin for error. It reduces the need for our staff to input data time and time again. But it also means when the check has been completed, the documents are returned directly into Reapit. They're uploaded and stored rather than sitting on somebody's desktop or in an inbox somewhere.
Lifetime Legal is the only business that has a specialist enhanced due diligence team. So any of the processes that we run that give us an outcome which isn't a straight pass, so a refer, a sanctions warning, or a PEP, we have a team of trained staff who deal specifically with all of those cases. They know what to do with trusts, with probate cases, companies. So instead of branch staff having to get involved in some really quite complicated due diligence, we have an expert team that do it. They're doing it all the time, 1,000+ cases a month, so they can turn around even the most complicated cases within just a day or two.
In the tricky cases, quite often I get to review those afterwards, and I've been impressed by the level of detail that they return sometimes, with complex corporate structures. All the documentation is there. They've drilled right down to the ultimate beneficial owner, who could be in a foreign jurisdiction somewhere. I've got absolute faith that they know what they're doing.
We really trust Lifetime Legal as partners. There's clear transparency between both businesses. They're very open and very easy to communicate with. So that's a really big part of our culture and theirs, and trust runs through the entire partnership, really.
I'd have no hesitation to recommend Lifetime Legal to any of our competitors. I think if you want a really good provider of legal services and a company that will help you with compliance, I don't think there's a better company to choose.